So here we have that Sophie buys a pair of shoes priced at €68, and the shop is offering a 15% discount on all items, so that's going to include shoes. And then we're told that Sophie pays a €100 note, and we're asked what her change is going to be. And so although it may not look like it at first, this is basically the same type of question as a tax question, because we have this amount that you can kind of consider as her money that she's got at the start, and we're going to have to multiply that by 15% to figure out what it's going to be worth afterwards. So the discount is going to be 68 times 0.15, and that is going to be worth €10.20. So just doing that multiplication using your calculator. So that is going to be the discount. So then to find our price, we simply need to subtract this 10.20 from 68. So we just take the total price and we're going to subtract our discount now. And so the price we're going to be left with after we apply the discount is going to be 57.80. And one thing to note here is that there's a shortcut you can kind of use for discounts, which is instead of finding the discount and then subtracting it, you can actually simply take the initial price, which was 68, and multiply it by 1 minus the discount. So that would be 0.85 in this case. So that's another way to go around this, is just multiply the total price by 1 minus the discount, and that would get you back to this price of 57.80. But in any case, our final job for this question is just going to be to figure out how much change she gets. So her change is going to be the €100 note that she starts off with minus the price of the shoes after we apply the discount. So that's going to be 100 minus 57.80. And so our final answer here is going to be 42.20. So that's going to be her change out of €100 based on what the price of the shoes was. And so that's going to be it for this question.